Hey, this is Josh. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how you can make money and monetize YouTube Shorts without showing your face. In this video, I'm going to be giving you the niche that you can jump into that's really launching right now. We're going to be talking about the free software that you can use to make YouTube Shorts faster and easier with all the templates already put together. And then I'm going to be sharing with you a product that not many people are selling that it could make you $32 per sale. So subscribe. Hit the bell icon because you're not going to want to miss these videos in this next series that I'm going to be putting out. If you want to learn how I make a full-time living from home where I was able to quit my job, I have a playlist right here of a mini course of how people are making six figures as beginners their first year. So when picking a YouTube channel and picking a niche, you want to niche down, all right? And this is the niche that I'm going to share with you. Crazy facts. People just love facts these days. All the fact checking has made people really interested in what is true and what's not. So I'm going to type in here, I typed in here, facts, shorts, okay? These are shorts. You can tell by the little thing. You can also tell by the how tall it is instead of being wide. This is YouTube's version of TikTok. It's like TikTok's little stepsister. But as you can see, facts are huge right now. This one has 13 million views in particular. Okay, I'm not sure if they monetize this, so let's go ahead and click on it and see what they've got. Let's see in the comments if they've got any pinned. So doesn't look like they're making money with this video. Now I'm going to show you how this person could have made hundreds of thousands of dollars with just that video right there. All right, let's go ahead and jump back. Boom. All right. So to start this whole process, you're going to start a YouTube channel in this niche or in another niche, right? You could pick facts about cars, facts about boats, facts about Elon Musk, whatever it is. But it's best to niche down. But if you don't really feel like doing that, go ahead and just start one with facts. But make sure facts is in the name. It's really good for the algorithm. Okay. So let's look at how much money this person could have made with this video. You can generally count on 1% of people buying something on YouTube or on other platforms, 0.01. And then we're going to multiply that by 13 million, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. $13 million equals that. That means 130,000 people are going to click on the link in this video and buy. Now, let's find that product. I'm going to show you how much money this person is going to be missing out on. This is the product that not many people are promoting, and I'm really kind of pretty excited about it. Now, we're going to go to Marketplace. We're going to go to e-business and e-marketing, and then it's at the top right now. If you look at this, this is in ClickBank. So you're going to sign up for a ClickBank account, and you're going to do what I just did. And these are all the things that you can promote and make money with. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This is the gravity right here. Gravity's 270. That means how many people are actually going to click and buy once they see this. And then it also has a recurring payment. So usually that means a monthly payment from people. Okay, so that's crazy money. All right, so we are going to get this link. You're going to click promote. You're going to put in your account nickname, generate hop links, and that's going to generate a link specifically to your account so that ClickBank will always know, oh, wow, Josh sent them here. So let's give Josh his referral after you set up your payment and everything like that in Marketplace or into ClickBank. So, okay, this product is going to pay out $32 every time someone buys it. So we're going to come back over here to the 130,000. We're going to multiply this by $32. Is it true that this person missed out on $4,160,000? Just tell me it's not true. All right, let's dive in, and I'm going to show you how to do this. I need to get a hold of these people, and if I teach them how to do this, I'm taking 50%. All right, that's a lot of cash money. I'm just blown away. Okay, whatever. Let's move on. So I want to teach you how to do this. We're going to go to invideo.io. You can set up a free account. But it's going to have that watermark in the bottom, and but you know, watermarks might keep some people from buying because it's not going to look as good. But it's only $15-30 a month. You can go ahead and buy it if you want. It doesn't really matter to me. Okay, so we're going to click pre-made templates. This is how we're going to make these videos. We're going to click pre-made templates. Sorry, we already did that. Boom, pre-made templates. And then we're going to click vertical because this is going to be your shorts. Okay, look at these. Bam. And then I want to show you something. We're going to type facts into the search bar. Look at these. 30 astronomy facts, 3 incredible facts about space. So we are just going to use that as an example. Boom. 3 incredible facts about space, vertical. We're going to use that template. All right, now we're inside. We've chosen our template, and it's going to have these 5 scenes right here, and it's already done for you. Usually I would go to Google and look up new facts by basically just Googling 3 facts about space, but it's already in here. I would do something unique if I were you, but this would be a really good launching point. So here's 3 incredible facts about space. And it's going to be very slow for some reason. Space is completely silent, and down here you can write why by Googling it. Why is space completely silent? Nobody knows how many stars there are in space, and you can put a little paragraph or a little thing right there. And then you can put in full NASA spacesuit costs $12 million. I actually saw these on Google when I researched it. And then in the last video, this is the last scene. This is where you're going to start making money. You're going to type on this last screen, want to get paid to use social media? Click the link in the comments. We say comments because YouTube Shorts doesn't really have a description. Okay, it does, but it doesn't. But most people will go and look at the comments, or at least some people, maybe that 0.01% will look at the comments and will see that your link from the marketplace, this link here, is in there. Okay, that link's very long, so I'm going to show you how to shorten it in just a little bit here. So let's go ahead and add a voiceover to these scenes. Okay, so you're going to go voiceover, automated text to speech. You're going to go up here and type it in. Let's see what it says. Okay, incredible facts about space. And then let's go ahead and generate. And it should show up here or down there. Add it to the scene. We're going to drag it over so it's right at the beginning. And let's listen to it.
Incredible facts about space.
Okay, and then we can go ahead and shorten this up a little bit. If you wanted to say 3, you can just type it in there. My computer's going pretty slow today, isn't it? All right, so then we're going to go here. We're going to go ahead and drag this over. So it's right there. And shorter videos are nice. 3 facts about space. 1, space is completely silent. So now we're going to go up here and we're going to do voiceover again. Automate your text. Space is completely silent. All right, let's go ahead and use another voice. Let's use Matthew. Generate. And then add to scene.
Space is completely silent.
Space is completely silent. And if you have a little 1 sentence down here explaining why, you can put that up into that too. So you'll do one of these for each one. But when it comes to the end, remember, this is how you're going to get paid. So that person's going to say, want to get paid using social media? Click the link, because that's what this is all about. Now, let's shorten up this link, because when you do one of these links, it's going to be huge and weird. So we're going to go to bit.ly.com. We're going to take that link. You click create. You type it in there, and then you click create, and it'll give you a shortened version of that link. So when you come back to the short, you can type that short piece into the comments section, and then you're going to pin it. And that's what we're going to do next. All right, now that you've come to your YouTube channel, you're going to click create, and then you're going to upload video. Once you upload that video, it's going to look a lot like this. And then you're going to come down here to the comments section. And you're going to go add a comment. So this is where we're going to put that link. Want to make money while using social media, colon, and then that your link goes there. You're going to click comment, and then you're going to click these little dots and pin. Now that is how you're going to make money on YouTube Shorts with ClickBank. How we did that was through affiliate marketing through ClickBank. Now, if you want to be making big money up to $5,200 in referrals, then go ahead and watch my mini course, high ticket affiliate marketing for beginners. And it's going to be the green thumbnails. I already put the link in a card up here in the beginning of the video, but go ahead and start watching that right now, because it's time for you to get financially free, especially if you're watching videos like this about side hustles, things like that. Might as well pick the right side hustle at the right time, and that's right now. So have a good one. Let's go make some money.